Hey guys, welcome back to Simmer Down. Today we are going to be making potato salad. I know potato salad seems like a very easy and simple dish to make, but believe it or not, there's a lot of people out here that can't make potato salad. And they'll be the first one to bring it to a barbecue and wonder why it's sitting on the table. Well, this potato salad that I'm about to show you, it will never ever be any leftovers no matter what event you bring it to. It will be gone. And people will be coming up to you asking you, how did you make that potato salad? They will not only want one serving, but they will also come back and say, hey, can you give me another scoop of potato salad? That's what you want. If you want to get in good with your in-laws, this is the potato salad to make. If you have a crush on someone and you want to impress them, this is the potato salad that you want to make. So let me go wash my hands and I'll be right back. Stay tuned. So over here, I have some potatoes that I put in some cold water after dicing them into cubes. I'm going to show you how I cut it into cubes so you can get an idea of how to get this thing started, okay? Okay, so over here I have one Irish potato, uncut. I'm going to show you how to cut it. All right. Take it again and cut it in half. Cut the other one in half. So now we have 4 pieces. I'm going to lay this down flat. I'm going to cut again in half. Cut this one in half. And then cut this one in half. I try to make sure that the cube is at least like 1 inch, okay? Because I don't want it to overcook. I don't want it to be like so mushy. So you see, I just did it just like that. I don't know if you guys can see the size. All right, little cube. I don't know about you, but I like my potato salad to be a mixture of creamy with a little bit of chunks. I don't want it to be so like chunky, you know. It does, to me that doesn't taste good. I'm going to rinse this off and then I'm going to place it in a pot with some water. Okay, so over here I have 4 Irish potatoes that I cut into cubes. I have the eye on medium-high heat. I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt. All right. And I'm going to let this boil. I'm going to let it boil for about, I would say 10 minutes. And I'm going to check on it in between just to make sure that it's not getting mushy. All right, guys, so the potatoes are done. They actually boiled out for like 20 minutes. In between the 20 minutes, I had checked on it. I used a fork just to see if it will go through the potato. And I didn't turn it off until I was able to get the fork to go through it. But I didn't want it to be mushy. You don't want your potatoes to be mushy. You want it to just be tender enough to put a fork through. I'm going to start off by putting 1 1/4 cup of mayo. You can use any mayo. This is 5 medium hard-boiled eggs. All right. If you don't want to use eggs, for the vegans out there, you can use black salt to replace the egg taste. But this is 5 hard-boiled eggs. And I'm using 5 because it's medium hard-boiled eggs. It's not a large. Let me just stir this in. Just make sure that when you are stirring it in, you're going from the bottom to the top. You want to make sure you get every potato. I still have some that needs to be mixed in. And now I'm going to put, this is 8 ounces of relish. I have some mixed veggies, veg all mixed veggies that I'm going to put in here as well. They have a low sodium version of this. You can use that if you like, but I just have the original. And this is a 15-ounce can of veg all. And here I have 3 sprigs of scallion that I diced very, very fine. I'm going to mix it in my potato salad as well. We didn't get to season the potato salad, so I'm going to put in some salt and pepper. I'm going to start off with the ground pepper. You can sprinkle as much as you like. I'm going to use about, I'll say, a teaspoon of black pepper. And this is pink Himalayan salt. I would say about a quarter teaspoon of Himalayan salt. So this is my potato salad. If you look very well, you can see the mixed veggies, the scallion, the relish, the eggs, the hard-boiled eggs. This potato salad is going to stay in the fridge overnight. I prefer to serve this cold, nice and cold, and I love to have this with barbecue chicken or maybe some barbecue ribs, a piece of fish. Whatever protein you like, you can eat it with it. If you don't want any meat, you can eat it by itself. But I guarantee you, this potato salad will be a hit. Thank you. Thank you guys for joining me today on Simmer Down. If you like this channel, please click the like button, subscribe, and also click the notification bell to notify you when I have a new video out. Until we meet again, please stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.